Hi students, today we will be discussing about the assembly drawing. So first we have this base shape, the second we have already designed the crank, then we have the cam assembly and shaft and this ATHS plates. So now we are going to design the shaft and also the cam arrangement. So let us start with our task. The first drawing is this. So similarly, we are all drawing everything in millimeter. So this is the shaft that we are going to draw. So first we will draw this shape which is in the top plane. We will draw this shape in the top plane, and the size is 16 by 16. This is also 16. This is also 16. And it's to the center of it we need to have a hole of diameter 4, and this is actually a thread which is having the diameter 4 and the pitch as 0.7, and the height of it is 50. So let us go to our drawing and check how it is done. First and foremost thing, you rename your name as shaft, SHAFT, shaft. Then set the units, set the workspace unit. Make sure the workspace unit is in millimeter. Make sure you draw it in the same page itself. So we are going to draw everything in the same page. For that purpose, you need to add a plus. Go to create path studio, click on the create path studio, go to this plus symbol, then click on create path studio, then the new path studio will open up. Make sure your unit is workspace unit is represented in millimeters. Now you need to select the top plane, and sketch. So select the top plane and sketch. First and foremost thing, select a rectangle, select a center point rectangle, click on the center, draw the rectangle, select the dimension, select the first dimension as 16 and select the second as 16. So it is 16, 16, here also it is 16, 16. So just draw a rectangle, select this center point rectangle, draw it and complete the dimension on the sides as 16. Once you are done with the sketch, click, then move forward to extrude. So now it is adding extrude new, give the depth as 50. Since it is the height, you can see that the height is 50, so we are going to extrude it up to 50, 50. Then click on this surface, and give it a tick. So then you can change it to isometric. Go to the cube here, click on the isometric. In the isometric you can see that the height has been completed. Once it is done, now we need to make a hole here. Just like that, we have a hole. Just select this surface and go to sketch again. Select this surface and go to sketch again. Then in the top, select a circle, select the first circle here, come to the center, draw the circle and give the dimension. You have the dimension here, give the dimension as 4. You can see the dimension as 4. And next thing, you are going to select extrude. We are going to make a hole here. You can see that in isometry, extrude, extrude remove, and give the depth as 5 mm. Why 5 mm? You can see the depth here in the drawing. It's a hole here. The depth of the hole is 5 mm. So we need to make the hole until 5 mm. So we are making it until 5. Then click on this circle, and if you see it in isometry, you can see that the hole has been created. The next part is very important in this drawing. Now you need to select thread. How to select thread? Many of you, since we have done threading in the last terms, you may have this thread creator, or else if you are here, if you don't have thread, you can click on this. Here there will be a search tool. In the search tool, you can click thread creator, and you will have a symbol coming up just like this. Click on it and it will add to your window here. So once you have this, click on this thread creator, th thread creator. Then in the thread creator, we'll go with the standard ANSI thread, and we'll give the pitch as 0.7. You can see that our pitch value is 0.7 here, 0.7. We give the same value in here also, 0.7. and what you need to do is you need to select the inner surface. Please, you need to look at my mouse. You need to select the inner surface just like this. Click on the inner surface here, and automatically your thread will be created. Once the thread is created, next is an option for fillet. So here is the fillet. You can see that here is the fillet. Select the normal fillet here. Radius, give the radius as 1 mm. Give the radius as 1 mm. Now you need to select the edges. Select the first edge, second edge, third edge, and fourth edge. Select the 4 edges and it is done. Select the 4 edges and you'll have all the fillets coming up. Now we need to give the color. As you know, right click on the part, go to edit appearance, give any greenish shade which is similar to our drawing. That's it. So with this, now we have completed our task with the shaft. Now you need to go to this plus symbol again, create a drawing here. So here you have drawing 1. It will come up just like this. Right click, rename, shaft multi view. Rename it as shaft multi view. As you know, when you are here, automatically insert will come up. From the insert, whatever we have done before, just put in our, click on here, then move it upwards, again move it to the right, and you'll have this multi-view of our system. So here we have the numbers, which is our dimension. For that, you just need to click on the dimension, just like what we have done in our drawing. Just click on this edge and it will give you the, first select this edge and this edge, it will give you this number. This edge, it will give you the number again. So similarly, by using the dimension symbol, you can keep the dimensions also. So with this, our cam shaft is complete. The next part is cam. Cam is this one. You need to draw only one cam, then we can replicate all these cams. So it is an easy part, cam. So directly we'll go to the cam. Again, you have to press here because we are drawing everything in single here. Again, go to create Path Studio, click on Path Studio, and it will come up here in the new page. Right click, rename it as cam, CAM, rename it as cam, and of course make sure your workspace unit is in millimeter. The workspace unit should always be in millimeter. Drawing cam is pretty easy. So we need to select the front plane and you need to sketch in the front plane. So what are the dimensions? First select a circle, come to the center, draw a circle of diameter 30. Of diameter, select this dimension and give the diameter as 30. The next thing is, which is this circular part, which is at a distance 10 mm from here. So how it comes up is from our drawing. You can see the drawing here, which shows you the actual shape. So here you have this is the top view, the front view and the side view. Top view, front view and the side view. Here you can see that the distance from the center of the circle to here is 10, and of course this circle is also 10. So what we'll do is first draw the circle of 30, then after that select a line from the center, just scroll down, it will show you the straight path, just it will show you there. Then draw a line of 10 from here. When you scroll down, don't click anywhere, it will show you a straight line, and click on this place, then draw the line of 10. Once you do that, click this line and make it construction, because we don't need to, we are not going to extrude anything with this line, so make it construction. After this, now you got the center of this circle. Now select a circle, draw a circle of diameter 10. The next step is pretty easy. Now we are going to extrude it. Extrude, select the depth as 20 because the height of the cam is 20. You can see the height of the cam here is 20, so we are extruding it up to 20. Now it is, the depth is 20, select it, give the depth as 20, select this portion, make sure that you select this portion exactly. Once it is done, you can see in isometric our shape is created, the cam shape is created. Once the cam is created, next we need to do the fillet. The radius is 1 mm. As it is obvious from our drawing, you can see here the radius in two portions, here and here both sides it is 1. So it is fillet. Again click on the fillet, radius, give it as 1, select the first edge, select the second edge. So with that, cam is also complete. Then right click, edit appearance and give any color which is similar to this reddish color. After that, we are going for the multi-view of our cam. So you can rename it as cam multi-view. So you know that the cam will come up. You can select the cam from there, put the cam here, here and here, third one. So how to make this shape, the shaded shape? You just need to click on a symbol here, section view. I can show it. section view, just click on this symbol section view, come here, it will show you an arrow, move it to the right, it will automatically create, click and move to the right, and it will create this shader view. Now the last thing that we need to do is, then after all this, you know how to make, after this escape, you can right click on the surface and make all this hidden and all this. So all these steps are similar to whatever before, only the change is this section. Then the section comes up, select the dimension, give the dimensions for all these things given in our drawing, then complete it and upload it onto your ClassKick. Thank you.